I thought it would be useful to structure this in three parts. First, look at the broader context in which digital regulation has been evolving from its early days. Second, look at the Digital India program and what are its components and what is at stake for India in this program. And lastly, speak a little bit about the broader digital challenges that emerging societies face. How do we address the digital divide? So the set of questions was really about building and creating access, making sure it's affordable for the last man, equipping people, a large number of whom were illiterate, with the skills and the literacy so that they can harness this wonderful public good. The questions, I think, and the challenges that we see now are far more primal challenges, existential challenges. They are centering around issues of philosophy, of ethics, and morality. Digital India, I think, is significant for two reasons. One, as I said, it is probably the most ambitious program of its kind to transform an entire economy and society. It is even more important because of the kind of aspirations attached to Digital India. For millions of people, they truly believe that digital is what is going to change their lives. Now India is in the process of building its e-health backbone, which again we believe will help aggregate healthcare providers, facilitate healthcare access, allow medical electronic records to be stored, and overall I think will be a huge catalyst in ensuring that we are able to use digital technologies to reach medical care to people who don't have medical care. Digital has really changed India and it's made it much easier. I think what it has done for women, for poor men in terms of empowerment, in terms of what it has done to liberate them from the clutches of an often difficult bureaucracy. And most important of all, I think it has obliterated the distinction between hierarchies and people. Questions that are going to be increasingly important. Digital regulations, the kind of digital regulations that India has are going to be critical. So how we negotiate the fine line between privacy and security, how we regulate the social media. There are also questions of data sovereignty and trade, and we know that we don't want splinter nets, but we want to work with like-minded countries to ensure that India remains an open market, it remains open to innovation, that we don't stifle innovation with ex-ante regulation so that the benefits of this technology can be harnessed by all.